welcome in. Okay, so we will just go through the main appliances and stuff that we have in the van now, and then we'll do a more in-depth video later if you're interested in that. So on this side of the kitchen area we have a pantry, pretty big pantry. We have a fridge here, which comes very in handy. We have a fold-out table for office and just extra space. More pantries, storage. AC cooler is in here. We have a diesel heater in the front for the cold nights. More storage. Over here we have another storage pantry for all of our kitchen appliances and our water tank. Here we have our gas stove and water. Okay, gas is here, and then we have water here. I don't want to use any of the water that we have, and I tend to just chuck soaps and cloths in there because we use them all the time. For now we have this very neat storage solution for spices and knives and forks and cutlery. We have our solar charge controller here so that we can pay attention to how much we're getting and how much we're using. We have two 160 solar panels on top. We have our surfboard, very much needed. Some lights around, LED strips, doesn't use anything, and it gives it a very nice feel when it's dark out. We have a gas alarm down here, very important to have when you use gas to cook. When I'm without you.